Hi, my name is Julie Smith, and I work here at Venture Out Resort in Cudjoe Key. I've been living in the park 10 years.
Welcome to Venture Out, a resort community on Cudjoe Key in the Florida Keys, located at mile marker 23. Made up of 659 individual properties, many residents call Venture Out home year-round.
And we had Hurricane Irma come through.
The actual speed may have been higher.
I lost my house. We have 659 units in the park, and mine was one of the units that got blown away by the hurricane. You can see that all of the mobile homes didn't make it in the hurricane, but the Palm Harbor homes did make it. You can see that it split right down in the middle, knocked it completely off the foundation, blew out almost all of the windows. We had 4 to 5 feet of storm surge. We have 659 units in the park, and we have like 15 Palm Harbor homes. They all made it.
People oftentimes ask us just how well are your homes built and how do they compare against homes that are traditionally built in the field. Well, you're looking at some great examples in this door frame here and around our windows where we build in quality beyond code. And if you'll notice, on each side of our windows and doors, we have 2 king posts that run from top to bottom, in addition to that single piece of lumber on each side of that opening. Underneath our windows, just below that sill, you'll typically see 1 or 2 extra jack posts. The sill itself will be double studded, double framed, along with the top frame also, to make sure that when strong winds come through, that Palm Harbor homes are the most durable home you can find. So those are 2 examples of what we call mighty man construction. The double jack post, the additional king post on each side of the door frame, the double studding on the sill, and above that window and door make for a very durable Palm Harbor home.
Well, I followed the hurricane for about a week before it got here. Ran right over our place. So we started looking at NOAA satellite photos, and it looked like our roof was intact. Somebody sent us a picture of the front of the house, and that looked like it was intact. And our neighbor walked around the house and says, "You don't seem to have any damage." So I said, well, check inside the house and make sure there's no damage. So he called me, and he was incredulous. He said, "There's nothing wrong here."
Many situations in our factory where we exceed the actual HUD code. We call it quality beyond code. One of the great examples is what we do around our windows and doors to make sure we waterproof and try to make sure that water doesn't get into the system around the home. So we do all the precautions, take all the necessary steps to caulk, seal, and fasten around our window flanges. Beyond that, we take this small strip of peel and stick flashing. It's the same material that you might equate to your bicycle inner tube. It's got an adhesive backing, but we cover all of the flanges, everything that's already been sealed. We run 2 strips down the entire length of the window or door, and then 1 overlapping strip, which essentially waterproofs all of the exteriors of your windows. Great example of why Palm Harbor homes are the most resilient homes built in America.
I was cleaning in the park and wondering what in the world I was going to do about having somewhere to stay, and some friends across the street from the Jones told me that they probably would let me stay in their home. Very nice of them. They let me and my son Ryan stay here in their home for the month till they come back, and really appreciated everything they did for me.